Welcome to the FastReport Academy. Today I will show you how to install our report generator FastReport.NET. Specifically, I will demonstrate how to use our installer. In addition to this method, you can get our libraries through our private NuGet server. We have a very comprehensive article about that, and it will be linked in the description. So, here's the installer that you can get from your customer panel. Click I accept the agreement if you do accept it. Then fill these two fields and paste your serial number. Select the folder that you want your FastReport installation to be located in, and choose if you want to create a desktop shortcut. In my case, I don't need it, so here's our final. Click on Next. Confirm that the install parameters are right, and then click Install. After this step, FastReport.NET will be installed. Now, if you are developing an application, you might want to use the components that we provide for Visual Studio. Click Toolbox, select a folder in it, right-click on it and click Choose Items. Then click Browse, find the FastReport installation folder and choose FastReport.dll. This will automatically select the components gotten from this library, so you can just click OK right away. And now, you can use the components however you like. And that was it for this video. If by chance there's a problem with installing FastReport, or you would like additional info about anything related to it, you can write us an email or ask about that in the comments. And if you're interested in FastReport.NET or any other of our products, you can take a look at this channel. All our videos are sorted by products and included in playlists, which you can find in the description.